In this Select CBD Pens review, we're going to cover these topics right here. The 4 flavors that I tested all helped with my ADD symptoms. During the day to focus, in the afternoon I was able to regain my strength, and at night I was able to relax. But I must say these are fast acting and kick in immediately, versus the Select CBD drops can take anywhere from 30 minutes up to 2 hours. When you inhale, you'll see a light that comes on at the bottom of the pen, which means that it's working. It might be too much for the first time, especially if you take the full 6-second hit. So just FYI there. I'd recommend just 2 to 3 seconds at first. The Spearmint CBD pen, also called Focus, does have a strong spearmint flavor taste, which I liked. The scent of spearmint and peppermint, it can stimulate the brain for increased mental clarity and promotes concentration. From personal experience, I was able to focus more when working and studying. I noticed as well when reading and writing that I was actually able to enjoy it more and get more done than normal. The lemon and grapefruit, they call Revive, those are both good. I tried both of them, and the flavors are just okay. They're just mild, they're not very strong, but they do work. The scent of lemon and grapefruit are both reinvigorating and energizing, and can promote concentration and helpful if feeling anxious or run down. I did feel though that like I had regained my strength that would usually start to drop after lunch, and so I would take just one of the lemon or the grapefruit after lunch. In the evening I would take the Select Lavender or the cinnamon flavored pen. Lavender now has a calming and soothing effect on your nervous system. The lavender now did seem to slow down my thoughts at night and help my body relax before bed. So each pen here has fractionated coconut oil, CBD oil from organic hemp plants grown locally, and organic essential oils. They're each a half milliliter or half a gram, which is 247 milligrams or 49.3% CBD. I feel for the quality and the potency of these, they are a fair market price compared to others that I've tried, and I feel that they do work well. Now each features an organic cotton wick with a ceramic core, and they do seem to heat up steadily and evenly to get a consistent dose. So does CBD get me high? No, absolutely not. There is 0% THC in these Select CBD pens. Would there be trouble with a drug test? Drug tests now check for THC content, so there should be no trouble at all. Where do they ship, and what's delivery time? Ships to the US. Shipping time is about 2 to 5 business days. I prefer the Select CBD drops versus the Select CBD pens here, just because for me it's more convenient. One last thing. I do want to hear from you, so please leave your feedback down below on what your thoughts are, what you got from this, or if you tried these. So, thanks again.